So we're going to talk about Code Harbor. You'll actually see a lot of tools here at the conference which talk about developers' productivity. Let me highlight a few other things that differentiate what we've built. The problem we were seeing with our customers is that everybody was focused on improving the performance of a developer, but nobody was focused on actually doing the code migrations. We are now implementing this with 15 clients. This is actually an agentic AI-enabled solution. Already, 80% of this is autonomous, multi-agent architecture, and the agents break down the migration process and bring 60% speed, 40% reduced cost, and at a very, very high accuracy. Because we've also done fine-tuning of our own models. So this is agentic, fine-tuned LLM, and really solving for code and data migration problem. So just to give you, just on the next page, just to give you a little bit of a flavor of what this, essentially the problem is, we believe enterprises are facing a $50 billion code migration and data migration problem. And by the way, the problem's not going down, it's only increasing. Next. Just to give you a sense, and you will see this in the demo with Swati, what we've done is, essentially if you look at the code migration or the data migration process, you're always thinking about first the assessment and the diagnostic of the code, then the transformation and the optimization, and then the testing and validation. These are all agents, and they work with each other and keep improving, sharing the information, and make it a completely agentic solution. One of the other things that I just wanted to highlight very quickly is this. We have already done 3 conversions that are complete, 7 that are in transition, and then an additional 6 or 7 with our clients that are in motion. I think with that, we will just show you a quick demonstration, and then Swati will quickly walk you through the architecture.
Organizations now understand the transformative power of AI and are transitioning from legacy platforms to modern cloud environments. A typical platform migration journey involves assessing and planning the migration, code transformation and organization, and end-to-end testing, validation, and deployment. This platform modernization and code migration is a laborious process, often taking 5+ years for global enterprises. Challenges include a lack of documentation for legacy code, unclear dependencies, and redundant code needing identification before conversion. Familiarity gaps with data and programming languages hinder optimal migration, while lack of standardization leads to subpar results. Additionally, insufficient automated test coverage and data integrity issues make testing and validation difficult. Overall, traditional migration approaches remain manual, time-consuming, and inefficient. At EXL, we've redefined migration using .agentic AI with EXL Code Harbor, our GenAI-powered multi-agent solution. Code Harbor integrates a network of AI agents, each purpose-built and fine-tuned to handle specific migration tasks, mimicking how a human team would work collaboratively. These specialized agents focus on different aspects of the migration process, refining their outputs through collaboration, ensuring a seamless, efficient, and high-quality transformation with minimal manual intervention. This approach optimizes the entire modernization lifecycle, driving both cost efficiency and performance. Now, let me walk you through how each agent works. The process starts with the Code Assessor agent, which evaluates the complexity of the code and understands the interdependencies. This is instrumental in downstream planning and orchestration of other agents. Next, the Business Analyst agent plays a critical role in understanding and documenting the business logic embedded within the code. This step is especially critical when documentation is missing or outdated, ensuring enterprise teams gain clear insights into the logic and can effectively prioritize conversions. The data agent then generates detailed metadata, which captures all the tables, attributes, and transformations in your code. It also maps data, table, and code lineage, analyzing dependencies across the application hierarchy. This detailed mapping of information also enables enhanced data and code governance, ensuring transparency in data flow and providing deeper insights into related data structures. As a first step of the code transformation phase, the Code Simplifier agent breaks down complex and often lengthy code into logical, structured segments. This chunking of code requires proficiency and fine-tuning for each source language and makes it easier for other agents to understand and process efficiently. Building upon the foundation set by the previous agents, the Code Migrator agent, customized for each source target language pair, translates the code while maintaining its functionality. Next, the Optimizer agent further refines this transformation, making sure the output takes full advantage of the target language's strengths, instead of just being a direct line-by-line translation. Together, these agents produce an initial transformed version of the code, which is then tested and further refined. For creating the right test cases, we need to first establish the data to execute the pre- and post codes. In absence of production data, our synthetic data generator agent can fabricate test data, which reflects the original data features. This module reduces the dependency on data readiness in the new environment and provides flexibility for edge case testing as well. Once the test data is generated, our dynamic orchestration engine enables iterative testing and debugging of the converted code. The Code Executor agent runs the code in both the source and target language environments, producing logs and outcomes that highlight any discrepancies. These are fed into the Debugger agent, which is equipped with configurable goals and constraints, continuously refining the migrated code, identifying and resolving errors, and proactively flagging areas that may require human intervention. At the conclusion of this agent-driven workflow, Code Harbor provides a fully converted, tested, validated, and optimized target language codebase, ensuring it is clean, efficient, and ready for deployment. Leveraging the potential of agentic AI, Code Harbor accelerates, refines, and validates every stage of platform modernization. We have significant business impact across multiple dimensions, not only ensuring faster, better, and cheaper migrations, but also providing enhanced governance and compliance.
Okay, so what you saw on the video, just to summarize that, Code Harbor is a GenAI-powered multi-agent solution that accelerates platform migration. But what it also does, it streamlines workflow assessment and enables data discovery through its network of goal-oriented, task-specific AI agents. Now, given the diverse set of clients that we work with across industries, Code Harbor is designed for flexibility and adaptability. It is a cloud and platform agnostic solution, and a lot of our clients are already using Code Harbor on their Azure, AWS, GCP, Snowflake, Databricks environments, and this can also be deployed on-prem. Now, this capability, we have integrated multiple LLMs, and we are also flexible to integrate LLMs of our client's choice. Within this capability, we have already integrated it with VS Code as a VS Code plugin, but this can also be deployed as an independent portal. Apart from leveraging open source and closed source large language models, we have also fine-tuned some open source models in-house that, for specific source target language combinations that pretty much provide higher productivity, better migration outcomes while ensuring data security and compliance. Now, what you saw on the video, Code Harbor, we have multiple agents that work collaboratively to solve a particular migration problem. The input to Code Harbor can be a single code file. It can be a code repository or a full project. So once a developer initiates the transformation process on a specific source target language combinations, all of these agents work collaboratively to chunk the code, to refactor the source code, generate the documentation, analyze the code, analyze the dependencies, generate end-to-end metadata, establish the lineage across your data estate, convert to a target code, create synthetic data and test cases, and finally debug, optimize, and validate the converted code. Now, all of these agents can be triggered independently as well to perform a specific migration task. And these agents can operate on both synchronous and asynchronous modes depending on project requirements. Now, we've also integrated this capability with NVIDIA Stack. As I mentioned, we have fine-tuned open source large language models for very specific migration use cases. We've also seen much better productivity of these fine-tuned models for specific pipelines, for specific client deployments as well. Now, we have integrated this with NVIDIA Stack, specifically with NVIDIA NeMo Stack for model fine-tuning, with NVIDIA Triton for scalable inference serving, with NVIDIA Tensorati for highly efficient inference optimization, as well as NVIDIA A10 GPUs for better compute optimization. As a result of this integration, we've seen several benefits in terms of our migration outcomes from Code Harbor solution. We see 60% optimization in inference time using NVIDIA NIM, which is much better than any other inference framework that we have come across for faster AI-driven code migration. What we are also seeing are much better model outcomes with high precision and a much better code migration as a result of integration with NVIDIA NeMo framework. And overall, much improved scalability, higher availability of deployment, streamlining deployments across our client enterprises. So overall, I just want to end by saying that through our integration with NVIDIA, we've been able to offer much better, faster, cheaper, and more efficient AI-driven code migration to our clients. And we hope to continue with offering better and more scalable solutions to our enterprise clients.